In this video, I'll be sharing with you two chart patterns that you can focus on in order to be a profitable trader. What are these two chart patterns? The bullish flag pattern and the bearish flag pattern. These patterns are important because it helps you to overcome price manipulation. So in an uptrend, price will be moving this way, and then suddenly you realize price is making this type of wave. Then again price will drop and begin to make this type of wave. So if you connect your trend line, you see that your flag will be looking exactly this way, and then subsequently price will continue to the downside. So in this typical scenario, this is what we refer to as the bearish flag pattern. So this flag pattern is a sell continuation pattern. While in an uptrend, price will be moving this way, then you see price will begin to give you a series of higher low, then it will move again and then begin to give you this pattern. And this is the pattern that we refer to as the bullish flag pattern. And then subsequently you will see price break out of it and it continue to the upside. This pattern is highly effective, and if you can be patient to focus on this, especially when the trend of the market is established, you will be highly profitable as far as trading is concerned. So look at this scenario. In this scenario, I see what the price is doing. So look at here. Price was moving to the upside, then suddenly you had this movement. You see that? Now price move this way. So you can see that this looks exactly like a flag. Do you see it? And then price push up to the upside. Afterwards again, price gave us another flag pattern. Do you see that? So here is the pull, and then price broke out of it, and then you see how it pulled to the upside. So these patterns are what are trend continuation pattern. In this scenario too, you can see that, and this is the pull. So you see, so this is an uptrend, and this is how effective you can identify this pattern. So this is what, in this scenario, this is a downtrend, and look at the pattern here. So this pattern works. Here, let's connect the pull. So do you see that? Beautifully well. And then price break out of it. You see that entry there. So we have another one here. Same pattern, same formation. Do you see that? Then we have this breakout. So there are two ways you can make this entry. If you are aggressive, all you need to do once price close out of the trend line, you can sell. But if you are conservative, you need to wait for a retest. So what is the retest all about? You can see that in this scenario, price break out of it. Let me change this color. So price break out of it, and you'll be patient for price to do what? For price to go back. We test it this way and then continue to the downside. So looking at this retest, you might be wondering and say, the price did not return back to touch the trend line in particular. Yes, because the trend line is a zone, so price must not go back to touch the body. So you can see how simple this pattern works and how effective it can be. These patterns are common when you are in a trending price scenario, and you can find it also more often on your lower time frame. So that is how it works. Very effective, very simple to identify, and you can stick to just this pattern alone and be profitable. I believe you have learned something new. Please do not forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video. Thank you, and see you in the subsequent video.